Yeah, but you do look fabulous.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks.
so you should. It's okay.
Thanks.
Be proud.
No, I appreciate
Be
that.
proud.
No, it was,
Yeah.
you know, it was uncomfortable on the day, but I feel good that we can look back on it and laugh.
Oh God. Oh, well, it's you know, it's a funny scene. That's the thing
Yeah.
about it. It's
Yeah.
not supposed to be sexy.
Was that a whole full day of you just in your boxers?
Yeah. Yeah,
It was.
just a full day of
And the
being on
funny
boxes.
thing was, when I would get to the point of having to measure his waist, I could actually hear his stomach growling.
Yeah.
I was thinking, oh, poor darling. Let's just get
Just
this
eat
scene
something.
done. God's sake, give him some chips.
I think I ate a lot of chips after that day, actually. It's like as soon as you get your shirt off, scene done, it's like, all right, let's head to McDonald's or wherever else. I don't eat McDonald's, actually, but somewhere with us.
Burgers and fries.
Burgers
put it
and
that
fries.
way. He was starving, poor darling.
I didn't eat for weeks.